Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I would be showing you how to extract custom name entity from a PDF resume using natural language processing and using Spacy. So what do I mean by named entity is basically it can identify person, organization, dates, stuff like that. So machine understands all of that and it basically extracts information. So let's try to extract all of these from a resume. So here is my code. So don't worry about the classes. You should not be worried about any of these code. All you should be worried about is how to use that. So here you can see how to use that. So I'm creating an instance of resume, specifying the file name and basically getting the resume. So after running this, what it does is basically it prints the PDF resume in a text format. So here you can see the entire resume is in the text. After that, I call the entity generator class and I just run this. What this does is basically here you can see organization, University of Bridgeport, basically Cardinal, all the numbers. It was able to identify all my GPA numbers and stuff, all the dates, August, May 2020, May 2013, 2019. That's amazing. I mean, how powerful this tool can be. You can also use this to train custom entity. For example, what is the price of polo? What is the price of ball? What is the price of t-shirt? What is the price of jean? Once I train all of these, I say I want to call this as product name. So I train my model. And by the way, I have copied this code from a blog and I've already written this note here. Okay. Once you train this model, it's amazing how amazing things are. Where I just said like, what is the price of table? And this model had not seen. It told me that the table is a product name. I was amazed how powerful it is. This is just amazing to me. Um, Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Like this is amazing. So pretty powerful. You can use to extract information from resumes. You can do that. You can train your custom entities. You can do that as well. For example, I was able to do it on news. For example, see how powerful. Like for example, it says that Washington is a global positioning. Like global position, it's a position, right? Organization, White House. These are organized. Person, Kevin Messet. It's a person. Date. It extracted all the date. It extracted all the percentage. Work of art, May or June. Face of nation. Can you see this? This is just amazing to me. The entire code is there on my description section. It's on by my blog. If you have any additional questions, kindly list your questions in the comment. I was really amazed by seeing how powerful machines can understand and extract entities out of it. If this excites you, kindly do visit my blog and give a like to this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.